A goat farmer was fatally shot by a gunman in Bushy Park, Clarendon on Wednesday morning. The deceased, who police identified as 32-year-old Davis Lewis, otherwise called Beckham, from Bushy Park, was reportedly tending to his animals when he was shot. It was reported that around 9:20 a.m. Lewis was attending to his goats when he was approached by a man armed with a gun. The man shot him multiple times and escaped on foot. Lewis was rushed to the Mapen Hospital where he underwent treatment for gunshot wounds to his upper body. He later succumbed to his injuries. No motive has yet been established for the attack, the police said. One brother is dead and another in custody following an incident in Catherine Mount St. James on Tuesday afternoon. The dead man has been identified as 30-year-old O'Shane Bailey. His brother, who is 24-year-old lifeguard, was detained when he went to the police station to report the killing. It was reported that around 12:45 p.m. both men who lived together had an argument over bills to be paid. The argument, the police said, became physical and the brothers started fighting. The now deceased was held in a chokehold position until he passed out. His brother made a report to the police. The police went to the home where they found O'Shane dead. The scene was processed and the body removed. Alleged serial killer Ronaldo Ricketts, who appeared in the St. James Parish Court today on abduction and attempted rape charges, is to undergo psychiatric evaluation. The 25-year-old, who is facing another case in relation to the murders of 5 homeless persons in Montego Bay, is to be transferred to the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, for the evaluation and for medical treatment for injuries to his leg. Police are reporting the seizure of a total of 60 pounds of ganja in St. Elizabeth. No one was arrested in connection with the seizures. The discoveries were made in operations carried out in Mountainside District, Round Hill District, and Brooklyn District on Monday. The police say the drugs have an estimated street value of $650,000. Investigators continue to probe the cases.